Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. If you're new, then hi, my name is Aditi, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows at home. I have used a combination of tweezing as well as shaving in this video, but you can select and use whichever method you feel comfortable with. And yeah, so now let's just get started with the video and then I will give you more information. So this is how my eyebrows looks like without grooming them. As you can see, they look quite messy and stray hairs are growing from here and there. By the way, I love how groomed eyebrows makes me look. It just gives that fresh and presentable appearance, but that does not mean you have to pluck and clear your eyebrows too. If you do not want to, do not let anyone tell you what to do. So yeah, I'm using the tweezers. These are from Vega, and the eyebrow shaver that I'm going to use are from Cosmetic, although I do not like it much. I really like the Miniso one that I'm showing you currently. It's really good, but the head of it has gone blunt, so I'm not using it today. I will use the Cosmetic one. It is not a bad eyebrow razor, but it isn't the best as well. I'll leave some good eyebrow razor links in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. So yeah, I am first of all just going to clear the upper part of my eyebrows with the help of a eyebrow razor, because I do not like to pluck there. I mean, of course I can pluck, but that does not give a really sharp line, so I instead like to shave that area off. You want to do it in a very short downward stroke, coming from your forehead down till your eyebrow, like upper eyebrow, like upper arc of the eyebrow, whatever you call it. I'm also using it on the middle part of my eyebrows. I think you call it unibrow. Also, if you have very shaky hands or you're not sure using a eyebrow razor near your eyebrows, especially if you are a beginner, then you do not want to do it, or you want to do it very carefully. And by the way, when you shave your eyebrows, you do not want to lift them up, you want to keep them relaxed. So for the bottom part, we are tweezing our eyebrows, and you do not want to pull the hair on the opposite direction. You want to do it on the direction of your hair growth, like I am doing. If you do it on the opposite direction, then it will hurt so bad, like literally so bad. It's very painful. So make sure that you are doing it in the direction of your hair growth, and you are doing it swift enough. You do not want to traumatize yourself by the idea of plucking your eyebrows. Do not give yourself that much time. Trust me guys, pulling your eyebrows on the direction of the hair growth is so much more easier. It's less painful, and you do not have to do so much work in really pulling it. It just comes off really easily. Also, make sure that you're grabbing and pulling one eyebrow hair at a time. You do not want to pull a bunch of them, because again, that will be a little painful. I have personally seen a lot of people and tutorials as well in which they pull the hair in the opposite direction of the growth, and guys, it's not the correct way to do it. I mean, if you have ever tried plucking your eyebrows that way, you would know how much painful it is. And now you should try the technique that I am telling you, and the pain is minimized by 50%, if not more. So yeah, now you can see how my eyebrows look groomed, and then I will move on to the next eyebrows. And by the way, if you have shaky hands, then you can rest your hands just like I did, like rest the finger, so that you get some extra support. Then you want to take a spoolie, brush your hair upwards, and then assess the situation. If you want to pull out any more eyebrows, like you can just go back and forth with that. By the way, I am not over plucking them, because I have like really dissimilar brows, and I do not want them to look really out of shape once I fill them. So that is why, like, one of them is really thin and the other one is a little thicker, and I mean, they're just very, very different. Like, they are whole new world actually. By the way, I would suggest you guys to tweeze or shave your eyebrows at home only if you have a predefined shape or guideline, which can be done either by outlining the shape you want, or if you have gotten your eyebrows done in the parlor in the past and you know your shape, and you just want to pull out the extra hairs, because otherwise you never know, you can over pluck or over shave them, so there's a heads up. Now just for my eyebrows to look more clean and snatched, I am going to run the eyebrow razor over the area that I have tweezed. This will just take off any excess hair that I would have left behind. Also, this time you want to shave your eyebrows in the opposite direction of the hair growth. And this time you can also pull your eyebrows up like I have done. This will just provide you with extra space to work with, and will also keep your skin tight so as to avoid any invisible cuts, and you would also be able to see the lining of your brows more carefully and precisely. Now you can finally finish off by applying some aloe vera gel or ice cube to soothe that area down. And yeah, this is how my eyebrows looks like, and this is how I groom that at home. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure you share it with your friends, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.